Welcome to this video tutorial for eTrip Agency. In this video, we will show you how to add an accommodation item. From the booking itinerary screen, click on the Add Product button to select the item type. You will now be shown an accommodation template to complete. Start with entering the supplier. You can search for an existing supplier, add a new one, or leave blank to complete later. You can set the supplier status of the item and also add a confirmation number. You can change the accommodation type and set the star rating of the property. To add a hotel, simply type the name of the accommodation in the hotel name field and add the city. If the hotel has already been added, then you can select from the list. You can also add the full address and contact details of the accommodation by clicking on the plus button at the top. Set the check-in and check-out dates, or change the number of nights to set the check-out date. You can now add the required number of rooms and room types. Add more rooms by clicking on the Add Room button. You can change the room category, room type, and meal basis. If your desired room choice is not displayed, you can simply type the required information. By clicking on the Passengers button, you can make sure the passengers are selected in the appropriate room. Once you have completed the accommodation details, you can add the price and cost. To see a detailed explanation for adding the price and cost, please refer to the video on booking item price and cost. Once the price and cost has been added, click on the Save button. For how to add other booking items, such as flight, transfers and car hire, please refer to our other tutorials. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to add an accommodation item.